Today we'll be making a little car weight, so then the car cannot move when little tiny people try to take it. So here's the pieces you'll need: 2 of these red little slopes with the vents, 2 of these little hooked that can slide. So first off, we will take one of these little transparent pieces and take one of these little, try both of these on, or put both of these on, and then put the other one on a different way. And then there is your little thing for cars that want to try to get into the sight. And here's a jackhammer to go with the sight. And then here is your little thermos. And there's a video on that. And a little bit of a candy bar. And then you can subscribe. Happy crafting!